Welcome to Mr. Bostock's class. He wants you to be ready for learning and to work hard. He has high expectations for all of his students. His philosophy is very simple. Attend class regularly and participate while you're there. And complete all of your assignments. He believes that if you can't learn by the way I teach, then I need to teach in a way you can learn. So get out your notebook and get ready to learn. And let's get you graduated. This has been a production of DNJDesigns and Mathman1962. Visit us at edtech.dnjdesigns.org.